Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur background in the Lightroom app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit and add the blur effect to. Then here you can find the option of blur. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find this slider of the blur amount section. Now slide the slider to your right like this and choose the amount of the blur effect and then wait for a few seconds. Now here you can see the blur effect has been added to your photo. Now you can also change the type of the blur that you can add to your background from here. And that's it. This is how you can blur the background of the photo in the Lightroom app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.